What's up, you mother suckers? Welcome to AfricanAllStars.com. Right now, we are backstage at the big Shaquille O'Neal All-Star Comedy Jam, featuring me, Michael Blackson, your African King of Comedy, along with Tommy Davidson, Eric Spears, Corey Holcomb, hosted by my good friend Gary Owen. It's going down in Dallas during Super Bowl. As you know, a lot of Africans play in this league, from my buddy Thomas Tepe, who used to play for the Eagles, to Joseph Madah, who played for the Colts, to the tight end for the Minnesota Vikings, and so on and so on. We have a lot of Africans in the NFL. So right now, when we try to hopefully get a hook up with a few of them, find out what's going on in the NFL, so we let people in Africa know what NFL is all about. Super Bowl weekend. AfricanAllStar.com. Michael Blackson in the building, you mother suckers.
Mon Jones, Deacon of Comedy. I'm giving a shout out to the AfricanAllStar.com. I'm down here at the Super Bowl with Shaq, Michael Blackson at the Majestic, just partying like a G.O. Look at your boy at Demond Jones, DAMOEJONES.biz. But if you look at anything, look at AfricanAllStar.com. It's going down. They're doing it big.
Hey, this is Tommy Davidson. Welcome to the African All-Stars. I consider myself to be an African All-Star. You know why? Because I represent Ethiopia, that can be Ethiopia, Eritrea. I represent West Africa. That can be Ghana, Nigeria. It can be French. It can be English. It can be Yoruba. It can be anything. It can be South Africa. Because we're all tied together. See, you think that the slave trade split us up, but it put us all around the world. You see, so I'm Jamaican. I'm Haitian. If you speak French, then you got Senegal. You see? If you speak English, you got all over the world. If you speak Spanish, you got Cuba and Puerto Rico. If you consider yourself African, you are an all-star. You dig it? Just like the ancient Egyptians who took the stars and made our calendar, made our watches, made mathematics, made astrology, made architecture, made the other guy what he is. And now we got to realize we're the ones that started it. So, what are we talking about? African All-Stars? We're talking about African unity. We're talking about what Bob Marley said. We're talking about what Malcolm X said. Alright? We're talking about African people, people of African descent. I say I'm African American. Does that mean I'm not from Africa? Or I'm from America? Or if somebody says I am African, does that mean that they don't have descendants or people that are around the globe? African All-Star means all of us. African All-Star, Tommy Davidson. Stay in touch.
Hey, what's up? This is comedian Corey Holcomb for African All-Star Comedy Jam. Did I say that shit right? Yeah, this is Corey Holcomb for African All-Stars. I will be coming to Africa to do a show, and I heard they ain't got child support out there, so I'm hitting 5 bitches raw. Ask your homie from America what that means.
Hey, what's up? This is Gary Owen for AfricanAllStars.com. It's the greatest website on the web. I mean, if I'm on the web, I go to AfricanAllStars.com. On the web, I go to it. I'm on my Atari, and I'm looking to get the AfricanAllStars.com level. I'm playing Angry Birds on my iPad, and I'm trying to get to the AfricanAllStar.com level. That's a big level right there. That's all we got. We're going to go now, because I got to catch a plane to Africa, because there's some All-Stars that want to see me.